months ago, I bought this Mazda MX-5. The car had the broken engine, but it was cheap enough to take the risk. The plan was simple, rebuild the engine or swap it. A Mazda engine was a bit too expensive, so I found out that Ford uses the same engine block in the C-Max, Mondeo, Focus, and with the Mazda camshafts, cam cover, the Mazda ECU would continue to work with this new Ford engine in the same parameters that the Mazda engine worked. So this is, for me, is very important, because otherwise I wouldn't pass the inspection to drive the car in Germany. So I started looking, and I found this Ford engine really cheap somewhere in the Baltic countries. It was listed as untested, which is not ideal, but I thought even if the engine is not good, I could take the crankshaft maybe if it's still in good shape, and I only paid for it maybe a quarter of the price of the Mazda used engine. And that's what I was going to show you, how I checked this engine. It's a simple check just to make sure that the engine doesn't have any big issues. So enjoy the video.
Super.